Alright, so I got an update on the 450. Got the gusset kit all welded in. Was able to do it in one evening. Went over to a co-worker's place and knocked it out. I forgot how many. I think it might have taken like 6-7 hours or something to do them all. So did some up by the steering stem area, down in there, up in here, one up under where the steering stem. There's two. Under here, these for the skid plate. You know. Or any other. Oh, up in here. Watching some Supercross racing. Next up, I have to split these cases. I'm gonna put in a new crank, and I got some valve stuff to do. I got some parts. I need to go. Once I get this tour apart, I need to go and order more parts and more random bolts. I got some baggies with some bolts and stuff labeled, and here's all my parts. I got take all this apart, which I should have done while it was already installed on the floor with the chain and everything, but we'll see how that goes. Got to get these tore apart because these are getting powder coated, and then the frame's getting powder coated. And then I got these new DWT wheels, some new front and rear tires. So yeah, I'm hoping I can get all this stuff taken apart and stuff and getting powder coated within the next week. That's my goal anyway. I've just been really lazy lately. I haven't touched any of this stuff in almost a month, I think. I just did that gusset kit last night and it kind of revamped my motivation. So yeah, I just gotta get this taken apart. And after that, I should be able to get those pulled apart. So, yeah, fun stuff. So we'll see ya.